Texas. Go ahead.
For wheresoever the carcass is, there will the eagles be gathered together.
Say that again, brother.
For wheresoever the carcass is, there will the eagles be gathered together.
There will the eagles be gathered together. Now, who do you know uses the eagle as their symbol of power and been doing it for years? America. Let's look on the side of the U.S. Postal Service. Got an eagle right there, right? Look on your dollar. Got an eagle right there. That's Mr. White Folk.
Right.
That's Mr. White Folk. Watch this. Read that again.
It's the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 28.
Right.
Get up. For wheresoever the carcass is, there will the eagles be gathered together.
There will the eagles be gathered together. Water, man. Bring this book out real quick. I bought this out before. I'm going to bring it out here. We're going to get it on camera this time, though. We're going to get it on camera this time. We ain't had a camera this time before. Not that it matters, don't really matter. Bring it out just to show our and that they are in it. This book right here, again, it's called Without Sanctuary. Without Sanctuary. This book is called Without Sanctuary. This book is filled with lynchings inside of it. And it's a testament to 24 and 28. So just look at this picture right here. Just this picture right here. You see a dead body. This may not even, we may not be able to post this one out. This is a dead body. And who do you see at the bottom?
It's the white man.
The eagles. Read that thing again out.
The book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 28.
Right?
For wheresoever the carcass is,
Here's a carcass hanging on a tree. Let's see who's hanging around, right?
there will the eagles be gathered together.
There will the eagles be gathered together. The Bible don't lie. These people who use the eagle as their symbol of power. Let's just go through this, man. Just go through some of these pictures. All you're gonna see is a bunch of white people standing around showing all their damn teeth. They happy about this. Let's just thumb through some of these pictures here, man. You're gonna see it. There where the carcass is, the eagle is right there.
Right.
What's that in Job? 37 and Shalaki.
34, 27,
I think it's the upper 30s. Let me get it real quick. Talking about the eagle. I think it's 37, 27. Shalaki. 37 or 39. Read that thing.
The book of Job, chapter 39, verse 27.
Uh-huh.
Doeth the eagle mount up at thy command,
Does the eagle mount up at thy command, right?
and make her nest on high?
And make her nest on high, right? That's Mr. White folk in the skyscrapers making their nest on high. Also, it's talking about them taking the highest places in government, presidency, the CIA, right? Think about this. When it comes to top secret information, they never give that to a black man. Never. All of the people who have been convicted of espionage and selling the secrets of this country to other countries, they all been white men.
Right.
All of them. Right, read more, King.
She dwelleth and abideth on the rock.
Dwelleth and abideth on the rock, where she can see everything on top. Read.
Upon the crag of the rock
And
and the strong place.
this is talking about where they come from in Job 31. That's where they were pushed to, up in the rocks, right? And that's where they live and dwell, and that's where they had their
Pharaoh.
Read.
Her young ones also suck up blood.
The young ones suck up blood, right? I didn't do it. It wasn't me. I wasn't here when all that was going down. Well, you're an accessory to the crime because you didn't get, when you found out about it, you didn't leave. You stayed here and benefited. Your children benefited from being here. Give me Isaiah 14:21. We're going to prove that. Read more, King.
And where the slain are,
And where the slain are,
there is she.
there she goes. There she is. Where the bodies are, where you see the bodies hanging and dangling, all you see is Mr. and Mrs. White folk.
That's right.
They loving. They came from miles around. There's a story in here where in the early 1800s, it was like going to a baseball game. 20,000. Listen to what I'm telling you. 20,000 people got on a train to see one black man get hung.
All right.
20,000 people. It was sport to these disgusting rats that walk around here. It was a sport. And it still is. And they ain't gonna do a damn thing about it. I'm gonna tell you how disgusting these rats are. They put up a Mount Rushmore in the place of the place where they conquered. That was a sacred mountain to the natives at that time. But to kick the natives in the balls spiritually, they chiseled the faces of their oppressor in their sacred mountain. These are the people you love and want in heaven with you. I ain't going if they in there, unless they on their damn knees kissing my boot.
That's right.
That's right. I ain't hugging them. I ain't loving them. And I ain't hanging around.
Right.
Read that from the top again, that Job from the top again. Because that's prophecy right here. And it's proven right here in this book. A lot of you 50, 60, 70, and 80-year-old know this is the damn truth, and you still forget these white folks.
Right.
Get the hell out of here. We ain't doing that. Them days are over. Those niggas ham-boning and huckabucking, shuffling, them days over.
Right.
Read that from the top, King.
The book of Job, chapter 39, verse 27.
Let this prove who your enemy is. Right, read.
Do the eagle mount up at thy command, and make her nest on high? She dwelleth and abideth on the rock, upon the crag of the rock.
That's where they came from. The goddamn caves. Cave rats. That's what they are. Read more.
And the strong place. From thence she seeketh the prey.
Seeketh her prey, right, read?
And her eyes behold a Pharaoh. Her young ones also suck up blood.
I didn't do it. Stop right there. Read that for me, that Isaiah for me, King.
This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 14, verse 21.
Wasn't me. I wasn't even born then. Big Mama was born then, though. Grandma Mallory was born then. She know what the hell this is. Read that, King.
Prepare slaughter.
Prepare slaughter, right, read?
For his children.
For the children. Because their children are here. They're still here, living good. Read.
For the iniquity of their fathers.
Of their fathers. What your father did, you gotta pay for.
That's right.
Right. Right, read.
That they do not rise nor possess the land, nor fill the face of the world with cities.
None fill the face of the world with cities. That's to the children. That's to the ones who said, I didn't do it. I wasn't here when it happened. Let me give you a little bit of logic. If anybody that believes in the Bible believed that Eve sinned in the garden, and as a result of her sin, she had to bear children with pain, you wasn't there when she sinned in the garden.
Right.
So why do you have to bear children with pain?
That's right.
Dumbass. So read more on Job, King.
Her young ones also suck up blood.
You young ones got the ticket. You gotta pay. You got the receipt. You gonna pay. Read.
And where the slain are, there is she.
There she is. Give me Job 3:1. Slack. Give me Joel 3:1. You gonna pay. Because then we gonna be the merchants around here.
That's right.
It's gonna get ugly for you soon. All praises to the Most High. As soon as it does, you people are in a lot of trouble.
That's right.
You people are in a lot of trouble. Read that Joel 3 from the top, King. Take your time, King. We all right. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. Joel 3 from the top, King. Read that.
This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 1.
Bring it out.
This is what you did. This is Judgment Day. I'm the damn judge right now. This is what you did. We're bringing out your faults. We're bringing out your iniquity for our people.
Right.
Read that, King.
For behold, in those days, and in that time,
Right.
when shall I bring again the captivity of Judah and Jerusalem?
Read.
I will also gather all nations, and will bring them down into the valley of Jehoshaphat.
We'll bring them down to the valley of Jehoshaphat. That's the valley of a big ass foot in your ass. That's what that is. Read more, King.
And will plead with them.
Plead don't mean he's gonna be begging. Help me, help me, help me, Lord. He don't believe, it don't mean that.
That's right.
Let's see what it mean. Read.
That's right.
And will plead with them.
There.
For my people.
For whose people?
My people.
Possessive pronoun. His people. Right, read.
And for my image. And for my heritage. Israel.
His heritage, Israel. Israel is his heritage. That's deep right there. That's beyond being your children. That's a generation and generation and generation and generation and generation and generation. It don't stop. His heritage. Read more, King.
Whom they have scattered among the nations, and parted my land.
And part of my land, right, read?
And they have cast lots for my people.
That's what they did in the slave trade, sub-Sahara slave trade. Cast lots for our people. But we become Egyptologists and we become Muslims, and I guess we got short memory. Don't remember that's what the hell they did to us.
Bring it out.
Read more.
And have given a boy for an harlot.
They used to give the boys for the butt niggas, the butt honkies, the butt crackers. Right, read more.
And sold a girl.
And sold our women, right?
For wine.
For wine. They didn't even want the women for sex. They wanted the boys for sex. Let's see who that was, read.
That they might drink. Yes, and what have ye to do with me, O Tyre,
and Sidon, right, read.
and all the coast of Palestine? Will ye render me a recompense?
I think you missed it. Oh, go ahead. Read more.
And if ye recompense me swiftly and speedily, will I return your recompense upon your own head.
Right, read.
Because ye have taken my silver and my gold.
The boy and the girl that you sold for wine, the boy for the butt tricks, and that's what they do. Natural.
Carry into your temple my godly
Good
pleasant
things, right, read.
The children also of Judah
and
the children of Jerusalem have ye sold unto the Grecians.
And you sold it to the Grecians. Who are the Grecians? That ain't black people.
Right.
We weren't selling each other to one another. We were selling it to the people like that. Dogs walking dogs. That's who they were sold to.
That's
the
right.
Grecians. Read more.
That he might remove them far from their border.
Ain't that something? When the Most High departed them from their land, then here come Mr. White folk going to depart them again. Read more.
Behold, I will rise them out of the place.
Raise them out of the place, right?
Behold, I will raise them out of the place. Whether ye have sold.
Where we were sold, right here in America. We were sold right here in America. He said he's going to raise us up right here in America. Read.
and will return
right?
your recompense upon your own head.
Right? Read more, King.
And I will sell your sons.
Woo! Now that's a glorious day. That's the kingdom.
That's right.
That's the kingdom. When we on the auction block, hey, I'm in the Mr. White Folk, cracker, Mr. White Folk for $10, sold to my brother Manatazah.
That's right.
For a penny. Hey, I'm in the cracker, sold to my brother Michael Allah for 0.5%.
Bring it up.
That's how we gonna do it.
Right.
Read more, King.
And I will sell your sons and your daughters.
Your sons and daughters, those that are here right now, that's what they gotta pay. Paying the receipt. Read.
Into the hand
of
the children of Judah.
And we're gonna sell them into the who? Read that again.
And I will sell your sons and your daughters into the hand of the children of Judah.
Okay.
And they shall sell them to the Sabians.
To the Sabians, right. We're gonna give them to us. We don't want them. We're gonna give them to the Cushites? The Cushites. What we gonna do with this? Let the Cushites deal with these cave rats. These germs that's walking around here with their head held high.
Bring it out.
Ain't got nothing to worry about. Knowing all they gotta do is call the police. We ain't gotta do nothing. They call the police on us, it's guns over Navarone. We call the police on them, police ain't even gonna show up.
That's right.
That's how it is. Y'all know we ain't lying. Read more, King.
To a people far off, for the Lord hath spoken it.
Who did that?
For the Lord hath spoken
That's what
it.
the Lord say.
Right.
That's what the book say. We ain't out here speaking out our whole own head and mind.
Bring it out.
So what are we telling you? Give me Romans 13:11. So what are we saying?